how to turn on or turn off bold text for live captions on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down and tap on Live Captions. In here, tap on Appearance and then tap on bold text. From the list, you can choose between default, on or off. So now, if you want to turn off bold text, then you can select off. Otherwise, you can select on, and this will show the text in bold or in a standard font style. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.